Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I want to stop using my phone for videos because I want to do videos on my phone and stuff. So I got myself a digital camera that is 4K, and so hopefully this I can start using. Let's go ahead and see what we get in the box and give this thing a try. So let's see. So we have a bag to hold it in. Nice. We have a charging cable. It's like USB to USB-C. We have a little hand strap. We have a cleaning rag, and we have the camera here. So this is it here. Kind of a little bit light, but see what it does here. I don't know how to turn it on. Let's see, can we turn it on with something here? Oh, there it says, welcome. Got a little peel screen up here. Take that off. And I'm gonna put it this way right now. I wonder if I need to, I might need to charge it because I haven't charged it at all. Probably, because it just seems like it says welcome and then turns itself off, right? But that is it. It says 16 times powerful zoom. So that's going to be a big zoom. It just says welcome. But I'm going to go ahead and figure this out, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got the camera here. You can see it's right there. And you can see I can film it myself. If you look at it there, I'm filming me. So I can start using this to just be my filming camera for filming my videos and things like that. So as long as I'm kind of still, I mean, it seems like it's working pretty good. And I can see myself in the video screen right next to it there. I'm filming me. So I can start using this to just be my filming camera for filming my videos and things like that. So as long as I'm kind of still, I mean, it seems like it's working pretty good, and I can see myself in the video screen right next to it, which is over there. Oops, I dropped the camera. But there we go. And it looks pretty good to me, so I'm gonna say this one seems like it's gonna work. Thumbs up, very cool. And I like it.